said the thunderstorm went through London and it went down to 20 after.
Oh, really?
Jeez. Holy mackerel,
Wow.
that we're blowing.